Good morning, students. 8th class, 9th chapter, area of the figures, exam 8 mark. Find the area of rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Okay, here, how we can find area of rhombus? So, what they given that? They given that length of the diagonals. So, length of diagonal, first diagonal D1 is equal 10 centimeter. Length of another diagonal D2 is equal 8.2 centimeter. So, area of rhombus is equal half into D1 into D2. Half into D1 into D2. So, half into D1 10 into D2 8.2. So, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So, here 5 into 8.2 mark. 8.2 into 5 you can get as 41.0 centimeter square. So, therefore, area of rhombus 41.0 centimeter square. Example 9 mark. Find the area of the field shown alongside all dimensions are in meters. Okay, here they are asking that area of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, area of A, B, C, D, how you can find means area of A, B, C, D is equal sum of all the parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. The first part is in the shape of triangle, next trapezium, next triangle, next triangle, next triangle. Okay, so here in this first part, area of triangle is half into base in height. Here the base is FC, height is DF. Next in the trapezium, CFHB. Here these two are parallel side and it is the distance between the two parallel sides. Next area of triangle ABH, it is the base, it is the height. Next area of triangle EGA is equal GH plus HA is height, base is GE. Next area of triangle DGE is equal, here height is DF plus FG, base is EG. Okay, so here area of A, B, C, D, E is equal sum of area of the all the parts. So that is area of triangle ABH plus area of trapezium BHFC plus area of triangle CFD plus area of triangle DGE plus area of triangle EGA. So here area of triangle ABH ma. So what the formula? Area of triangle half into basic height, that is half into base BH plus height HA plus area of trapezium. Area of trapezium formula 1/2 into distance between two parallel sides into sum of the two parallel sides, that is HB plus CF into HF plus area of triangle half into here base is FC, height into DF. Next plus 1/2 into here base is EG, height is BG, plus half into area of triangle ma. Here base is EG into height GA. So that is equal half into base BH gamma 25 into HA 25 plus half into sum of two parallel sides ma 50 plus 25 into height FH. Okay, FH gamma. In this FH there is 2 FG plus GH, that is 40 plus 15, that is 55 plus half into base 50 into height 50 plus half into, in this here base is easy 60 into height 50 plus 40 ma DG kada DF plus FG. So 50 plus 40 90 plus half into here base is easy, height is 15 plus 25. So 60 into 15 plus 25 40. Now we can simplify. Here 25 into 25 625 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 50 plus 25 75 into 55 plus 1 by 2 into, okay, so 1 ja 225 is ma 25 50 ja 1250 plus 2 1 ja 230 ja 2700 plus 1 ja 230 ja 30 40 ja 1200. So here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 1 2.5 next to 1 ja 2 37.5. So here 3 1 2.5 plus 37.5 into 55 now. Okay, simplify this summa 25 37 80 5 16 2062.5 plus here 1250 plus 2700 plus 1200, that is 2450 plus 2700 5150 ma. Next total the sum emosuna 3125 plus 2062.5 plus 5150 0 5 12 5 7. So the total area of 5725.0 centimeter square. So the total area of ABCD is equal 7250 centimeter square. Area of ABCDE is equal sum of area of the total parts ma. So the total parts area, how much you can get ma? 7525 centimeter square. Example 10 ma. There is hexagon MNOPQR of each side 5 centimeter and symmetric about NQ. Suresh and Rusika divided it into different ways. And ఈ MNOPQR అనే హెక్సాగన్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, సురేష్ ఒక మెథడ్ చేశాడమ్మా, రుషిక ఒక మెథడ్. ఓకే, సురేష్ ఎలా చేశాడంటే అమ్మా, ఒక లైన్ మిడిల్లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసి దాన్ని 2 పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్ చేశాడు. అంటే 2 పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్ చేశాడంటమ్మా, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ 1 ట్రెపిజం, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ 1 ట్రెపిజం. నెక్స్ట్ రుషిక ఎలా చేశాడంటమ్మా, MOT RPకి ఒక లైన్ జాయిన్ చేసింది. So then the Rusika is dividing the total hexagon into 1 rectangle and 2 triangles. Okay, hexagon ante endante amma, in a regular polygon which having 6 sides. Regular polygon ante amma, already I told ma, regular polygon అంటే మా in a polygon all sides and all angles are equal. Here in this a polygon అంటే ఏంది? A closed curve which having at least two sides. More than two sides ఉంటే దాన్ని అంటే మా polygon అంటాం. So here how many sides are there? 6 sides. These 6 sides are equal. So this polygon is called regular polygon. In this regular polygon how many sides are there? 6 sides. Therefore this regular polygon is called hexagon. Here MN, MO, OP, PQ, QR, MR are equal. Okay. So Suresh ఎలా చేశాడంటే NQ కి ఒక లైన్ జాయిన్ చేశాడు. అంటే this hexagon is dividing into two parts by using the construct one line. Next, Rusika, how we can do that? She construct two lines, MO line and RP line. The total hexagon is divided into three parts. In these three parts, two equal triangles. Next, one rectangle. Okay, so equal triangle, two triangles, one rectangle. So find Suresh method and Rusika method. We can do that any method, we can get the same answer, mom. So here actually given that each side is 5 cm and the length of the hexagon is how much? 11 cm. Okay, Suresh method ela chesadu ma, he construct one line NQ line, then form two trapeziums. The two trapeziums are equal. Okay, why? Here all sides are equal. Okay, so these two lines distance is same as these two lines distance. Okay, so here each side is 5 cm కదా. సో టోటల్ లెంత్ ఎంత 11 కదా. ఈ సైడ్ 5 ఇచ్చాడంటే ఈ పార్ట్స్ ఎంత అది 3. ఓకే, చూడండి సురేష్ మెథడ్. Construct NQ line to be divided into two trapeziums. So area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal. So these two trapeziums are equal. Why? Because in hexagon all sides are equal. So here area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal to 2 times of area of trapezium. So here area of trapezium formula is what ma? Half into distance between two parallel sides into sum of the two parallel sides. So here it is one line, it is a one line. Its length is how much ma? 5. Its length is how much ma? 11. Okay, next height ma. Height. Here given that the length of RPMO is how much ma? 8. So here this it is dividing the how much ma? 2 parts. That means this height is how much you can got? 4 cm. Okay. So here area of trapezium is half into distance between two parallel sides into sum of the two parallel sides. 2 into 1/2 into distance between two parallel sides 4 into sum of two parallel sides 5 and 11. So 2 cancel, 4 into 5 plus 11 16. So that is 64 centimeters square. In Suresh method, the area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal 64 centimeters square. Rusika method. How she do that in Rusika? She construct the line MO and RP. When you construct the two lines, the hexagon is divided into three parts. One is rectangle, another is two triangles. So here these two are triangles, it is a rectangle. So each side is how much more? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 more. So total length and 11. So here the distance between the two lines is how much more? 5. So remaining and total ma 6. The total distance, the length of the total hexagon is how much more? 11. In this 11 centimeter, the one side length is how much more? 5. Okay, so total 6. Here its length it is 3. it is 3 marks. So area of hexagon in Suresh method is equal sum of area of the triangle and area of rectangle. So construct MO line and RP line. Then divide it into 3 parts. So area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal sum of 3 parts area, sum of area of 3 parts. The 3 parts are in the shape of 2 triangles, 1 rectangle. So that is area of triangle MNO plus area of rectangle OPRM plus area of triangle PQR. So this is the height, it is the base. Height, base. So rectangle, it is length, it is the breadth. So area of triangle MNO half into base MO into height. Okay, here we don't know the point S, it is Q. Height is NS plus area of rectangle base RP, length into breadth length RP, breadth is PO. Next area of triangle PQR, base is RP, height is QT. So that is half into MO. Total length is 8 into height 3 plus length 8 into base 5 plus half into length 8 into height 3. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So that is equal 4 3 ja 12 plus 8 5 ja 40 plus 4 3 ja 1. So total is 64 centimeters square. So area of area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal 64 centimeters square. So here therefore in Suresh method and Ruska method the total area of hexagon is same.